What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're gonna be installing the throttle cable on the 1972 Buick LeSabre Build. I bought a universal cable from you can get this from AutoZone or whatever, but I think it was gonna be too short, and then I ordered one off of eBay or Amazon. I'll put a link in the description of where I got this one if it's long enough. We're gonna cut them open, we're gonna compare the two, and we'll get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm the top it. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Alright guys, now we got that out the way. Let's check this out. Let's just see what we got here. Let me see where I can set y'all up at. Alright, so let's see how long this one is. Man, I got a mess out here, guys. It's been crazy. I've been having heck with the transmission on this thing. It's kind of had me down and out about it, man. I just been really upset. Dude, that don't look that much longer than this one. Oh, we'll see. I don't lose nothing, but alright, let's see how long this one is. If it don't, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just use this one for the El Camino. 'Cause I can tell. Yeah, so that goes in the car. So from there to there, look at the difference. Can y'all see? So this is like way longer. So yeah, we'll use this universal cable for the El Camino. And well, this is a LS swap cable, so it's supposed to work. We'll see if it works or not. Well, let's get the other cable out. Alright, let's try to get this one out. You know what, I need them cutters because I'm not gonna play with this thing at all. I got a mess out here. I gotta clean everything up. We got the main stuff done, man. It's just, golly, just this transmission just crazy, man. Alright, I don't know if y'all can see. So, let's see. Let me grab, I should have put my light on the top of my camera so I can show y'all. Because some people be like, you didn't even show us. Because most of the time I just turn the camera off and knock this part out. But I'm trying to show y'all. It's kind of hard to see. But anyways, so it's two cables going right there. You know what? Hold on, guys. Let me get this better for y'all. Alright, so behind this little box right here, that's a cable right there. Come on, focus. So you see that cable? And then it's another one. One is cruise control, one is drive and one is cruise control. I don't know why this is down in the freaking way. Let me get this out the way, guys. I don't even remember messing with that. That ain't air duct hanging down. So now you can see. So it's two cables right there. I don't know why I want to focus on the wrong thing. But them two cables. So I'm gonna cut both of them. We'll pull them through the firewall and we'll see what we got. Alright, I got them both cut. These things are awesome right here. They will cut anything. So I'm pretty sure this was cruise control because they had put a clamp on it. And this is the regular throttle cable. So we'll pull those out, see what we got. Hopefully they come out. And I need to see where the hole is at. Yep, it ain't gonna come out that easy. Alright, I gotta climb in there, guys. 3 different pairs of pliers, screwdrivers, and everything. Finally got that thing out. So best thing to do, get 2 flatheads. Plastic tabs ain't no joke. So this is the top. This is the original cable. So y'all see I got it snapped loose. So it's 2 tabs. These 2 tabs right there, that's what you gotta push to get it out of there. Alright guys, let's set up the new one. Hey man, my memory card got full. But it's looking like, so this is supposed to go to the throttle. That's not gonna fit through the firewall. And it won't match up to my my pedal. So I gotta take that part off. So it looks like I'm gonna have to tear this whole thing down to get everything to go in there. So let me knock that out real quick, guys. Alright, I got this unscrewed. A little Allen wrench deal. That's gonna come off. Then we'll pull it out. I just gotta remember this to God dang it. The pedal side. Man. Usually you'll need some a flathead or something to pop that off, but I got it off with my fingers. So that's gonna come out. Alright, so that ball will go to the pedal. Hold on. Which side was? This side was pedal. Okay. Alright, now. Hold on. Yep, that's got to be off of there because we got to get it through the hole. And then we'll put this on. Let me see. We're learning together, guys. We're learning together. So I guess when I run it through there, I'll put this back on. So this got to be like that. Yeah. And this will go back through there like this. This will go up against the firewall. And then I'll screw that in on the other side. Damn, but that's not gonna go through there. How do you do this? Cause this won't fit through the firewall. It's too big. We might have to go through another spot, I guess. Well, let me figure it out. Alright, now it's looking somewhat decent. So let's see. That's drive. So we need to get this one out. So that's out. And then that's gonna go like this. Uh-oh. Like that. That's looking right. We'll leave that loose till we figure out what's up on this firewall. So that's how it's gonna be. So this side was supposed to be inside on the pedal, but it wasn't gonna work with mine. So that matches up perfect right there. And then we can take, let me see how big this hole is, but it's looking like we're gonna have to take, yeah, it'll go through there. I'm looking at it right now. Let me climb up there and show y'all. And then we'll put this nut on the back, and I think we'll be good, maybe. Hopefully it reaches the pedal. So yeah, cause that hole's right, let me show y'all. That hole's right there. So I think we'll be alright, guys. I think I just was trying to put it backwards, like, but that piece that was on here, they said that goes to the pedal. So I don't know, but as long as it works, I don't care. Alright, y'all can see right there, I got it going through the firewall. So now I'm gonna go put this nut on the back, and then we'll adjust everything. Alright, I got the nut on there right there. It was not fun to be doing that. But I got it on there, so we'll feed the cable through and see how to match up with the pedal. That sucked. I got it on there though. Y'all can see it right. So much stuff in the way, man. Y'all can see it right there. I tightened up the cable a little bit, but we're gonna have to adjust it. But you see it moving, so see it pulling the cable. So I had to take everything back off, put a washer on that side. And let me show y'all on this side. And I also had to put a washer on that side. So we should be good now. Now I just need to adjust it. Try to get that kink out of there. We should be alright. We'll fire it up and we'll test it. Alright, I got the throttle cable straightened out a little bit more. So now we can go ahead and test. See what we got, guys. Focus, camera, focus. Oh my goodness, it's freaking hot, guys. Stuff we do to bring y'all these videos. We got throttle, y'all. We got throttle. Alright guys, we got throttle cable now. So Next video, let me see what we're gonna do. Hold on. We're gonna go ahead and do the purge valve delete, get that out the way, and then we'll finish up all these wires. I got all the other wires done pretty much, so I think that's gonna be it for this video. And y'all already know the routine. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.